Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPad, not iPad, what's on my MacBook Air. So this is my MacBook Air. It's um a rose gold one, and I have a case on it from Amazon. It's like a pink case. I I, I don't know if I want to like get another case because um a lot of it it's like broken on like at the corner here. It's broken, and I don't know. I don't like having stickers on it like this anymore. So I think I am going to eventually get a new computer case, and I also have the Apple logo here that came with the computer. Actually, I think actually, yeah, and I just stuck it right there. So let's get into the computer. This is my wallpaper. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cool. I wanted to use pictures like things that I like, my favorite band, a favorite family picture, a favorite makeup look that I did, and then two of my favorite Bible verses. Then here I have a sticky note thing. I just like to keep these sticky notes as like videos that I need to film and work on. I have those listed right there. And I also like to keep my dock kind of hidden like this because I think it looks so much better like this. So let's just go over this thing here. Okay, so we have the QuickTime player thing, screen recording going. This is for my external hard drive thing. And then I don't know why. Oh, I think I have to go like this. That's music, Bluetooth to connect my AirPods, battery percentage, Wi-Fi, and then all the things that are date and time. Next, let's go into the dock. So I have Finder, Launchpad. These are some things that I use pretty often. I don't use podcasts, so I'm actually going to remove from dock because I don't even use that. I do use Pages. I'm gonna remove from dock because I don't use it as often, so I'm gonna remove it. So we have FaceTime, reminders, music, photos, calendar, notes, system preferences, App Store, Spotify. The US utilities is how I like to use my computer as a screen monitor when filming my YouTube videos. I don't have it on right now because I have my screen recording going. And then we have the stickies. That's this. Photoshop. I don't know why Photoshop is open. I think these are the recently used. And then I like to have my downloads folder down here in the dock. It just makes it easier for me to find my downloads like that. And then there's trash. I guess we can go into Launchpad. It's pretty much the same thing. Like the first page is pretty much the same thing, but a couple of things that I don't use, like the news app, Find My, I don't use, Dictionary I don't use often, Logic Pro I sometimes use, so fun. Zoom don't really use that anymore. Let's see, what else? Don't use this anymore. This is the Adobe Premiere Rush. I did use this a little bit when editing my YouTube videos, but I don't anymore. And then this is the YouTube or the video monitor thing that comes with the US utilities, but I don't use anything in here. Then Clean My Mac I use occasionally, whether I don't use on my Mac, but I do use it on my phone and on my iPad, which I am going to be filming what's on my iPhone and on my iPad later though. Look, don't use Adobe Bridge, never used, Freeform never used. I did not know that Canva has an app, so I downloaded that and I think that's so cool. I occasionally use Canva, but not not often, so that's why it's not down in the dock. All the things that I have in the dock are things that I use like all the time. And then Flora is a kind of like a timing app. I haven't really gone into it that much, but I'll just show here. So you can like these like breaks in between the times, so you can like focus on one task, I guess. I have no idea. I haven't really dived deeper into this app, so I'm definitely going to start using this app. So I think that is everything that's on my iPad. Ooh, I did want to show you. So the search engine, or the, yeah, I guess browser that I use is Safari. I did have Google Chrome for a little bit, and I just decided not to use it. So what I did is I liked to change the background of what the Safari looks like. So you go down to this little icon, or this little thing here, and then you can switch between the ones that they have, or you can put in your own picture. I just like looked something up online and then put in something that would kind of match my little collage that I made. And from all these like little like customization things I found from this, I'll put her YouTube channel name here, but this is all these like little customizations I got from her YouTube video. I'll put her channel and her YouTube video that she did down in the description below. So that's pretty much everything that is on my iMac. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!